just got back from the gym, need to eat something quickly. I'm no particular concern of what to eat. I'm going to have a couple of cups of oats, a 300 gram of natural yoghurt. I've got absolutely no idea how much protein is in it, probably very close to your requirements, to be honest. So 330 grams of natural low-fat organic yoghurt. And I'm going to throw some raisins in there. Mix that around a little bit. Yep, there we go. Absolutely fantastic. So there's a full protein complement, close to it, and a bucket load of carbs. You've got the carbs from the lactose from your yogurt, and 2 cups of oats, and a handful of raisins. Get into it.